that you was wrong, but life is moving on. So get it together, cause now anger is your pleasure, and that pleasure is the tether that fed you for too long. Now you're thinking that you're better, cause you think it made you strong. But what you don't get is the color of regret, is the thing that made you sweat when you try to paint a picture of life in the future, when the present's too wet with the tears that you wept long ago. Feeling the fire still, keeping your head turned around in the past, flooding the present with the role that you cast for her as the villain and you who came in last. It's time to wake up. Open your eyes, love, cause you've been sleeping. It's getting hard to bear watching you all alone. I know your heart is broken and you've been weeping, but I've been waiting here patiently for too long. Moving on. I know that you was wrong, but life is moving on.